Rahim. Assalamu alaikum learners. How do we learn new skills? In our experience, we start something new, but after some times we get bored and can't achieve our target and can't learn complete skills. As we see in different examples, we have to learn, we have to study our course book, we have to pass our exams, but when at the time of planning we think that we have to fulfill our task and complete our course book within a time limit, but unfortunately when we studying this book or learning new skills, in the midpoint or after a few days we get bored and can't achieve, can't study, can't complete our goal. I shared you few tips of skill learnings. Number one is setting a goal. When you think that you have to learn any skill, or you have to study course book, or you have to finish one subject to pass the exams, make make goal as defined months. For example, you have to pass one exam, or you have to learn Excel course. Make yourself in mind you have to complete this course within 6 months, example, within 5 months, within 4 months, or within 1 year, or within 4 weeks. Setting a goal with time limit. Fix with your mind, you have to set your goal, you have to achieve your goal within this 4 months. This is setting a goal with proper time limit. Then break down your goals. What is break down your goals? If you think you have to pass your exams and you have to study one book, then break down your goals into different parts. One part have, if example, one part have 10 chapters, then you think you have to, a book have 3 parts and each part have 10 chapters, and your target is to achieve this goal in 3 months. Then you have to complete each part 10 chapters in 1 month. Then break down your goals. And when you studying this course, when you get bored, then never give up. At the time of thinking you have get bored and you are giving up, then you think why you start this course, what is the purpose, what is the learning outcomes of this course. When you think the beginning of the purpose, setting goals, then you can't give up this course. Example, when you completed chapter 10 and you are thinking now I have to give up the course, then you think at the start of time you think you will learn this goal, you will learn this study material and get your outcomes. When you think about outcomes of this course, then you can't never give up it. Focus on 20%. For example, your course is on 3 months and you have to complete 30 chapters, then you have to more focus on starting topics. and learn through different media, social medias, YouTube, books, and to work hard for 20% of study materials. When you focus on 20%, your interest is better. Then you can achieve easily your task and practice your skills. We see in Excel and different mathematics and different topics, different study materials. When you learn one thing and you never practice again, you will forget. So when you practice again and again and use different forums to use different skills, it makes practice your skills. When you practice again and again, then you can't forget your study material or Excel or your learning skills. Hopefully it is helpful for you. Thank you so much.